You should really be eating more healthy. It isn't good for you. It won't affect you as much now as in the future.
What do you care what I do? It's my life, my decision. You don't get to choose it, I do. What do you care? You don't even know me.
Think of what could happen to you in the future.
Dang, I didn't realize what I can do to myself.
What can I do to change my ways and be healthier?
It's very simple. All you need is thought and effort. It's really easy to change your life.
Jeez, I think I'm going to. I don't want to ruin my life for something like this.
Hi, what can I get you?
Can I get a Coke?
I'll take a water.
Yeah.
Will that be all?
Yes.
Hey man, thanks for everything.
You know what? It's okay to have junk food sometimes, but too much is never good for you.